Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with the William O'Neill India. So today is February 8th. So let us start with our webinar with our disclaimer. So registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL and certification from NASM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Please read all the related document carefully before investing. So let us understand how the overall global market after the Indian market has been closed yesterday. So how the global market has responded. So US market has been trading positively, and S&P 500 is almost touching its new all-time high, that is 5,000 level. So that is a key news over here. And European market has been slightly lower, has been faced some closed on negative note, and Asian market is trading in the positive note. However, there is a key data from coming from China of on consumer price index, which is continuously falling from the China side, and Hang Seng is down around 1%. And taking cues from there, Gift Nifty is currently trading around 22,050 kind of level. So it's kind of flat to muted, no, flat to positive note opening kind of we can expect in the on the Nifty. So coming to news, US market has ended higher as led by major technology companies like FB Meta and Nvidia as well as Microsoft. And also very good bounce back in the Disney where and AWL, which is has given a strength to the US market. And the key news is here is for domestic market is RBI is going to present its MPC outcome today. So it is going to happen around 10, 11 o'clock. As we expect, there is no rate cut we can expect from in this particular outcome, and also there is no change in the stance that we are expecting from RBI outcome today. So apart from that, there might be a slightly chance of giving a brief about GDP outcome, GDP data, as well as uh, uh, repo rate cuts. And Uttarakhand Assembly has passes Uniform Civil Code Bill, and BPCL has joint ventured with the Qatar Energy for a 20-year partnership of 7.5 MMTPA LNG. And Piramal Pharma has received some observation, USFDA observation for the US facility in Piramal Pharma's in Riverview. And Kalyani Steels is declared successfully bidder for Kammineni Steel. And InoxWind enters agreement with the CESC for the installation of 1,500 megawatt wind capacity. So there's a key news from domestic market. And earnings yesterday after market, Cummins has reported its Q3 earnings where net profit is up around 26%, and the revenue is up around 16%, which is overall very good earnings from the Cummins. And Tata Consumer has been reported its earnings where net profit has been dropped around 21%. Revenue rises around 9%, though net profit is and revenue net profit drops around 21%. It largely in line with the estimates, which is EBITDA, which is up around 26% YOY on the Tata Consumer. And Lupin has reported its net profit at 613, which is almost 4 5 times of the last year net profit, and revenue is grew around 20%. And Apollo Tire, which is also very good earnings from Lupin, and Apollo Tire reports its net profit growth of 78%, and revenue is up around 3%, which is also in line market estimation on Apollo Tire earnings. And Soba reports a net profit down around 52%, and revenue is down around 21%, which is slightly negative numbers coming from Shoba. And JK Paper net profit is down around 29%, and revenue is up around 3%, which is one more negative earnings from JK Paper, which is below our expectations. So EBITDA is also down around 32%, and margins at around 25% compared to last year. It was around 38%. And today, key news earnings is from LIC, Zomato, RVNL, and Econ, also Biocon, Apollo Hospital, Page Industries, and PFC. So these are the key earnings due coming from the major these companies. So it's almost last week of earnings season of in this particular earnings season. So today and tomorrow, it's majority of the companies will be posting its earnings. And derivative data, which is suggest 0.86 put PCR, and maximum call OI is placed around 22,300 and 22,200 level, and max put of OI is placed around 21,900 and 800 kind of level. So coming to the chart on the Nifty 50. So this is the Nifty 50 daily chart. So of course you have seen Nifty is trading nearly its all-time high levels, and also if you observe the last almost 1 month data, especially in the January data, where we have seen some of the majority of the profit taking is happening on the higher side, and despite that, Nifty is bounced back from the lower level, and currently trading around 22,000 kind of level. So in detail, if you see the Nifty chart, this is also Nifty chart on the candlestick pattern. So if you observe here, after this island reversal, there is a two candles over here. After that island reversal, on 2nd February after budget especially, Nifty tried to reclaim that level. However, it has been closed below this 22,900 level. So this is a level where 22,000 level is a 22,900 level is a crucial level for Nifty 50. Which, so if it holds above that 21,900, if it holds above that level, so we might see this gap has been filled, and it might head towards 22,100 level. So that is the next major resistance level for Nifty 50. And the downside, 21,900, which is a key support level for Nifty 50. If it breaks below that level, so it might head towards 22,730 kind of level on the Nifty 50, where 21 DMA is also placed, and also here down pivot level, which is of this price ranges. So that is also placed around that level 21,700. So that is a key support level for Nifty 50. If it breaks below 21 DMA, then the next level of support will be around 450 kind of level on the Nifty. So in this derivative, today's expiry point of view, we might see some of the volatility, especially in the Bank Nifty after RBI's key data, which is due today. So based on that, we might see some volatility in this particular range around 21,700 to 22,000 kind of level in this in today or tomorrow particular session. And that's it from my set in today's webinar. And I would like to join you for the today's evening session with me as well as Pawan. So we'll be discussing in briefly about all the major sectors, as well as we'll answer your stock queries in today's evening session at 4:30 p.m. So I would like invite you all for today's evening session, and thank you one and all for joining this session. Thank you.